quantitative research design. As defined here in our screen, quantitative research design is a design which governs formal, objective, systematic process in which you are going to use, of course, numbers or numerical data. And we can obtain it from our chosen respondents. So it is a systematic empirical investigation of observable phenomena. It can be analyzed using statistical, mathematical, or computational techniques. So for qualitative research, just to make some comparison, it is still systematic, interactive, but as I have mentioned before, it describes life or it describes phenomena according to experiences, and we give meaning to it. So quantitative gathers numbers, numerical data, and can be analyzed by mathematical operation, but qualitative research cannot be analyzed using mathematical expressions, but instead using themes and codes. So those are the main points of difference. These questions here are projected on your screen for you to help identify the best research design fitted to your chosen research topic. So we have here the first question. What is the primary purpose of the study to describe variables? And the group in the study, to study relationship or to study causality within the study situation. So you have to know, are you going to describe, are you going to study relationship, or are you going to study causality? The second question that you need to address is, you are going to do some treatment or intervention or not. If you are going to do some intervention, are you gonna employ control group on it? If yes, then you will have an answer later on what type of research design you are going to employ. Another is, are you going to perform pre-testing before intervention or before treatment? Are you going to randomly select your respondents or your sample? The next question is, are you going to study a single group, or are you going to study divided population into different groups or strata? Next is, how many groups will there be? Are you going to consider one group, two groups, or three groups according to your related literature's background? Next is, what will be the size of each group? Are you going to get some limited size or limited numbers of sample that would be inclined more in the qualitative research design, or you are going to get majority or bulk from the population, and that is leaning towards quantitative research design? Another is, will there be a control group, or will group be randomly assigned, or will there be repeated measures of variables over longer period of time? Will the data be collected cross-sectionally, or it can be that the respondents can answer in a single point of time, or you want to get the respondents' answer over longer period of time? The next one is, have extraneous variables been identified? Yes, are data being collected on extraneous variables? And then what strategies are being used to control for extraneous variables? What strategies are being used for comparison of variables or group? And will data be selected, or will data be collected at single site or single location? For example, only in UIC, or you are going to select multiple schools of pharmacy. In other contexts, are you gonna choose a single hospital like Davao Doctors Hospital, or are you gonna choose all level 3 hospitals in Davao City? Okay, so these questions will be very helpful for you to identify, or for you to have a good decision on what type of research design that will be very tailored fit on your chosen research topic.